Today we're opening day number 17.
What a beautiful introduction. Thank you so much, Pearl, for telling us about day number 17. What do we got? What do you think it is?
Wait.
Before you open it.
It's rhinestones or pearls.
She was right last time. Do you think she's right?
Rhinestones or pearls.
Oh, it's pearls. Last time we had rhinestones, this time we've got pearls. These are beautiful silver pearls. One of the products that we do is make really gorgeous metallic gold and silver pearls and rhinestones, and these are our pearls that you get to try in the advent kit. Thanks so much for telling us about day number 17, Pearl, and we'll come back and we'll see you with day number 18. Not many days left to go now. Thank you so much, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.